Good morning. I am not from the UK. I repeat, I am not from the UK. You'd be happy to know that I'm from Mississippi. This is accent practice. Welcome to my channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come one, come all. Welcome to the Sasha Fierce TV community, where we do gardening. We bring you good food and lots of entertainment. Come along for the ride. I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I'm not from London, okay? I am from a small town in America, the United States of America. The great state of Mississippi. The great state of Mississippi. Yazoo City, Mississippi, 39194. I should keep practicing my accent until I feel comfortable on the big screen. You understand? The big screen. Yes. Yes! New video is coming out. Cut! I have a new video coming out called What Was That? What was that? Again, welcome. Surely to bring you a laugh. Cut. Bringing you real gardening, good food, and entertainment. Welcome to the Sasha Fierce TV community, y'all. I just want to let y'all know that I'm so thankful that you are here, and welcome to my channel. Check out all of the new content I have, and feel free to like, share, comment, rate, and subscribe. Like, share, comment, rate, and subscribe. Back to the subject at hand. Back to the subject at hand. Cut. Back to the subject at hand. I'm not from London. I'm from North America, in the United States of America, in the US of A, from a small town in Mississippi called Yazoo City, Y-A-Z-O-O. Let's go! Go, 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 go. Let's go! Go, 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 go. Why do I speak in this accent, you ask? Why would a lovely little Southern belle from Mississippi want to speak in such an accent as if you're from London? What is the answer to the question? Why do I do such things? Why am I like this? Because I want to. Damn it. Because I want to. That's the answer to your question. I can't put it any other way. I can't put it any other way. Come through, sunshine. Come through, sunshine. Come through, sunshine! Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.